मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे
आरम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. Question: how do we build the consideration of social return into every conversation and every decision at every level in the organization? Look inside. What is social return? It is nothing but looking at the life with a larger picture. Understand? See, if you build your house, you call it as a selfishness. If you build a road, you call it as social return. But you don't understand, without the road, house is useless. So what is social return? Nothing but looking at the life beyond 120 degree. See, 120 degree is the normal vision. If you look at the life 240 degree or 360 degree, that is social return. Nothing else. So don't think social return is some great, compassionate, sacrificing, serving, great selfless attitude. No, relax. First thing, understand, thinking with the consideration of social return is intelligent way of thinking. It is intelligence which makes you consider social return. It is not morality, it is not religious quality, it is not ethics, nothing. It is just intelligence. Learn to look every contribution of your life with the whole picture. For example, if you are a manager in a company, try to understand the whole responsibility of the company towards humanity. What this company is supposed to contribute to the humanity. Have the whole picture and fit yourself with it comfortably. Have the same attitude in every decision. Then naturally, whole company will have the same attitude towards the society. That's it. Understand? Consideration of social return is not some sacrifice, service or ethics. Why don't you understand? It is just intelligence. Many times you think consideration of social return is something like you do a big service, favor. No. Maybe you can use that word to market yourself. I call it corporate compassion. A new word I am creating. What is the corporate compassion, you know? You shave his head, take his hair, sell that, and don't even give him little oil for the head, and you say, I shave you because only then dandruff will go from you. It's a treatment for dandruff. And that poor fellow believes it. That is what I call corporate compassion. Please understand, consideration of social return, the very word shows you are also from the pattern of corporate compassion. No. Compassion should be very raw, pure, innocent. Raw, pure, innocent. I tell you, raw, pure, innocent compassion is intelligence. When your compassion expresses in its pure, raw form, innocently, it is tremendous intelligence. What do you mean by saying the word consideration of social return? No. The word seems to be like a big sacrifice. I tell you, looking at the larger picture and working, considering the social return is an intelligence decision. It is not compassion decision. The whole organization, your whole organization need to understand social consideration is intelligence decision. Please understand, decision of your intelligence, not the decision of your heart. Because you think it is decision related to heart, you still have oscillation. No, should I do it or not do it? How much I should do it? How many rupee I should do it? How many lakh I should spend? No. Social consideration is the decision from intelligence, not decision from heart. The whole, how this whole, each company is a whole which is supposed to fit into the whole of the whole. The whole has many holes in each hole. Each company as a whole should fit in. How as a whole you are going to fit with the whole? A boss is expected to feel how he should be knowing the whole purpose of the organization and the responsibility of the organization. Same way, if the whole team understands the purpose of the organization and responsibility of the organization, that itself is enough. It is enough. Nothing else is required. Understand? The enthusiasm, energy and experience of larger vision, larger responsibility itself is enough to make you do the decisions based on consideration of social return. You don't need to infuse compassion, because especially when corporate companies show the compassion, it is so ugly, I tell you. It is so ugly. It takes away even the basic respect for the people who receive the help. I have seen the corporate compassion many times. The basic dignity of the recipient is lost in their bulldozing compassion. Many times, in the name of service and compassion, it is a more marketing gimmicks. I tell you, understand your responsibility with a larger perspective. That's it. Intelligence itself will make you do every conversation, every decision at every level with the consideration of social return. You don't need to do anything separate.